Bropinion highlights.
Oh my God, would you rather change sex every time you sneeze
Wow.
or not be able to tell the difference between a baby and a muffin?
That's wicked. I like that. Jesus. That's come out of the depths of someone's brain.
That's tough.
Cheese sex is every time you sneeze. Imagine when you had hay fever or a cold.
Imagine if it was
You
every
wouldn't
time
know
you
what
hiccup.
you were. Oh, yeah. You've changed 17 times already. The thing is, every time I sneeze, I turn into a woman. I'd need to find a shower immediately. Because I always said if I was ever a woman, I'm having an hour shower the second that happens because I'm just in there soaping up my boobs and playing with myself. Like,
Fair call.
of course, as you
Fair
would.
call.
Baby and a muffin. Like, what the? You're picking up muffins and nursing them and burping them and shit. And let me change you. And then what? Trying to eat a baby.
Yeah.
Like, I think it has to be the sneeze one.
Yeah.
Because I think I would get more fun out of that because
Yeah.
every time I turn into a woman, I'm going to be a pervert.
Yeah.
To myself.
Now, what I'd try and do is I'd try and like every time I turn into a woman, I'd try and commit crimes or something, so I could turn back into a man when they're looking for him. It's like, no.
Yeah. Start robbing banks as a woman and then they no, not me.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. No, I'm not.
Yeah, you'd have to have like pepper in your pocket so you could do it at command.
Clearly, I'm not that tall blonde that
Just like pull out some pepper, sneeze.
Bropinion highlights.